This terrifying video out of Oregon comes from ABC News. And while disturbing, she was found safe and unharmed, and the assailant arrested for kidnapping. But it reminded me of another disturbing Ring camera video that, to my knowledge, was never solved. And after this footage was released, the police did an investigation but came up empty-handed. But this is a good reminder as to why you should always have a doorbell camera, because it could be the lead in the case that solves a crime. Here's that clip now. Slight trigger warning.